Hey everybody, my name is Sara and I'm a product designer and content creator, and today I'm excited to show you how to find jobs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is my absolute favorite place to look for jobs. It's full of companies hungry for talent and amazing job opportunities. I personally landed my last 2 jobs through LinkedIn, so I decided to make this video to walk you through the strategies that I found to be the most successful to find a job. Now let's jump straight to LinkedIn. Before we deep dive into today's topic, we've got a sponsor today, which is our friend Dribbble. Dribbble is a go-to place for sharing design work, connecting with other designers and landing freelance or full-time jobs. We also have online courses on product design and UI design with some of my favorite design crushes of all time, like Jessie Showalter and Daniele Buffa. Speaking about that, if you have a friend or you know someone wanting to become a product designer or UX designer, did you know you can now earn up to $300 when they make a purchase on Dribbble? $300! That's crazy! All you need to do is share a link with them and Dribbble will give you a cash reward for every single sign up using your link. If you're a content creator like myself, this is a fantastic opportunity to start earning passive income. You can share your link on social media, newsletter, your website. There's plenty of options available and it takes literally no time to set it up. Check out the link in the description box to learn more, and as always, thank Dribbble for sponsoring this video. Now, the first thing you want to do is you need to make sure you're positioning yourself as a professional in your field. Your LinkedIn profile should reflect what's in your resume, and it's actually easier for recruiters to come across your LinkedIn profile instead of your resume. So at a first glance, seeing a professional with a curated profile and connections in your industry will come across really well. Your profile should include your past and present employment detail and any relevant education and professional achievements. For each working experience, you have your position, the company name, and a little description of your responsibilities, achievement, and learnings as well. To speed up, you can reuse what's in your resume, and like me, if your contract doesn't allow you to discuss your work, that's okay. You can always provide this information later on in the interview process. Now, this is where you have to be strategic. If you don't have a professional experience because, I don't know, you're new to a product design job market or you're transitioning from another field, the next section will be really important to you. In fact, your education section can help you demonstrate your skills, learnings, and what steps you're taking towards becoming a professional. These are the key parts of your profile, but the more information you provide, the more chances of success. Now, real quick, if you don't want to let your employer see that you're looking for jobs, you can always use this section and select this option here, so only recruiters will get to know that you're after new jobs. Now, the next thing you want to do is to customize your job filter search. From the top left, you can choose things like experience level, job type, and whether it's remote or not. Not all filters will be relevant to you, but be sure to select the ones that are more relevant to your situation, because it will save you tons of time later on. And you can also create an alert so that LinkedIn will notify you about new job opportunities. Now, creating a standing out profile is what will increase the chances of a first interview. However, if you want to find the best jobs, you need to play an active role on this platform. You gotta go out there and apply for those jobs. You can also take advantage of your network to bring in more job opportunities. So the next thing we will be looking at is the network section. Even if you're an introvert and hate networking as much as I do, you can still foster meaningful connections on this platform. Through LinkedIn, you can actually connect with mutual connections, make new buddies, and keep in touch with those you have worked with in the past. Personally, I reach out to other designers working for my dream companies and ask them if they were recruiting for my position. And actually, I got a few interviews in this way. It may seem a bit awkward, but if you're honest with them about your situation, it's so worth it. I think people on LinkedIn are actually willing to help and support others, maybe because they had the same treatment and want to give back to the community. Whatever it is, I think LinkedIn is a safe space for everyone. So to recap what we went through, your LinkedIn profile is as important as your resume. So make it professional and share only appropriate content with your network. You should not post random pictures of your most recent vacation, favorite food, or new puppy. Actually, the puppy is fine. LinkedIn is ridiculously overloaded with job opportunities, but only a handful of them are relevant to you. Be selective with your jobs and don't let irrelevant noise get in the way. If you feel like you're not having much success on this platform, remember you can always rely on your network. Keep an eye out for new messages or connections and don't be afraid to seek feedback or advice. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts on LinkedIn. Do you like it or do you hate it? Leave everything down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao!